excited to share this opportunity with you to talk a little bit about the Flor de Luna Tarot deck with my beloved husband and artist, Guillermo. The Flor de Luna Tarot deck is something we've been working on for quite a few years, and this is the first time that we are sharing some of our love and joy of this passion project together. And from the last time we started doing this deck to this time, and how do you enjoy us doing this process together?
Hey beloveds, so here is a first peek at our upcoming Flor de Luna Tarot deck. As you can see, they're circular and they signify the energy of the moon, La Luna, and the flor, which is a symbol of the divine feminine. This is the beginning of our journey with the Fool. Everyone tells a different story. Everyone has a different energy. Talent as an artist and my love of tarot and all things divine.
Change that we've made, well, besides the shape. So now it's different than the regular square. Now it's circle. So what are you the shape? How does the shape change things for you as an artist?
Well, I would say it's related to the Flor de Luna, that will be the name. So obviously the circle for the moon. And one of the reasons why I'm enjoying it so much, talking about the process, is how it gives me the freedom to play and mix different cultures.
Few cards with you. This is our first magical 11 of